What's up, YouTube guitar heads? It's Paolo again, your DIY friend. Scar My Guitar contest has just ended, so congratulations to David Wallace and Robert Shetfield. That's all for now. See ya. Kidding! We got another contest for you guys. It's the Addicted to Gear contest. So let's watch Tony from Addicted to Gear as he explains the mechanics of the contest.
Today I'm gonna give 2 lucky subscribers a chance to win an awesome guitar kit from Guitar Kit World. Guys, I'm really excited. Addicted to Gear and Guitar Kit World have teamed up and created a contest where 2 lucky subscribers will be able to win one of the awesome guitar kits offered by Guitar Kit World. You have to pay attention to the details. I'm going to explain to you how it's going to work. Step number 1, you want to subscribe to Addicted to Gear. Super important. Step number 2, you want to also subscribe to Guitar Kit World. You have to be subscribed to both channels. Very, very important. Once you're subscribed to the Guitar Kit World channel, go down the list, select the video that you like. It could be any of their videos, and leave a comment. Tell us how you fell in love with guitars. Now you have 50 characters in order to do this, and the very important thing you have to remember is that you have to use hashtag Addicted to Gear contest in your comment. Now remember guys, everybody loves a good story, so the more interesting your story is, the better chance you have to win, so make it good. In order to